Hello, I'm Thierry Barbé and I want to speak to you about Serge Lancen Concerto. This concerto was published in 87, but it was composed something like in the 50s, on the 20th centuries. Exactly 49, something like that. And so Gaston Laugereau was the double bassist professor in CNSM, in Conservatoire de Paris, National Superior, where I teach now. And so it was the end of the year for the diplomas. So this piece was imposed and newly played and composed for that occasion. And then Pierre Elouin created later with Radio France with string orchestras with addition of a second movement. Okay. So the first part of this concerto is a cadenza. This is a very simple. You go from C to E flat. Sorry, it was a little bit low first time. It's important to have more expression on that note. Second part. Repeat pianissimo. And now I am on D flat compared to C. So I have a new step. I confirm I am on D flat. So I'm now on G, the fifth compared to the first tonality C major, C minor. Then a little arpeggio. With the natural harmonic of the string. And then, again, the theme is coming, but in G. The same. Piano. Exactly the same phrase. Now I am in A flat and I confirm 2 times A flat. A new light, I'm going now to E. So it's a new step now. And then this cadenza is continuing. Again. And then